And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Today has been a long day and all I want to do is unwind, do a little bit of self-care and chill with you guys. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing in today's video. But before we get started, let's switch up the vibe. Okay, so much better. Love the vibe and I love ghar ke kapde. I'm the kind of person who, as soon as I come home, needs to change into PJs. Another thing that I need to do ASAP is my skincare, remove my makeup. And clearly, I'm not really having a very good skin moment. I don't know what it is about my skin, if I'll ever be able to make peace with it. I have always suffered with a lot of acne, hormonal acne to be precise. And in my adult life, in my late 20s, I feel like I've had pretty good skin. My biggest insecurity is my skin. Like, I don't care about anything else, but as soon as I am breaking out, मुझे एक दो पिंपल से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट अगर 3 से ज़्यादा मेरे फेस पे पिंपल है, then I just start feeling some kind of way. I don't know, maybe it's like trauma from being younger. And when I was much younger, I used to have really, really bad acne. Like, it was bad. And it keeps coming back, I would say, like every 6 months. I don't know if I'm ever going to not have acne in my life, because I know people have acne even in like their 30s and 40s. So here's hoping that I am okay with my skin, say like 5 years down the line. Like, even if I'm breaking out, it doesn't affect my mood and the way I feel about myself. I guess we'll find out, because I'm not gonna stop making YouTube videos. Okay, I'm gonna start removing my makeup. So if you couldn't tell already, this video is going to be a really rambly one. यूजुअली मेरे वीडियोस में बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रक्चर होता है, ये वीडियो में नहीं होने वाला है, डिस्क्लेमर. Okay, I want to start talking to you guys about my September and kind of do like a review of this month. So as you guys know, September is my birthday month and I do this series on my channel. So I actually usually never really travel in the month of September, sometimes towards the end, but never really in the beginning of September, because there's just a lot that's happening. But this year, I made an exception because I obviously had to make an exception. My friend Ria is getting married and she had her bachelorette in Thailand. It was something that is a once in a life sort of a situation. So obviously I had to be there. So I was there for 3 days and this was like a no content sort of a trip. Of course, thoda sa maine vlog kiya hai, ek shorts banaya hai, but there is some GoPro footage which one of her friends was capturing, and it's actually quite funny. So I thought I would play it right here. That was a sort of mini vlog exclusive preview for you guys. Product के बारे में बात कर ही लेते हैं. This product I have been obsessed with. Like, this has been my number one product. It's from Bioderma. I have always loved the micellar water. Do I have it around me? I'm sure I do. ये वाला OG product मैंने कितने bottle use किए होंगे इसके, I don't even know. And अब ये वाला तो पूरा almost खत्म हो गया है. And upstairs, where I stay with my husband, वहाँ पे भी हमारा half खत्म हो गया है. Okay, I do have enough for this wash, thankfully. उसके अलावा, honestly, the whole month has just been me working. There have been so many great things that have happened this month, like my birthday, which was absolutely beautiful. मैं पूरा vlog नीचे छोड़ दूंगी so that you can have a look for yourself. A few other things which I cannot talk about because I'm not allowed to talk about. उसके अलावा, I've started working with Apple, which is just insane, and Mercedes. This month has been insane, I'm telling you. Apple sent me their new iPhone 17 Pro. Like, what is even happening. Oh, I completely forgot about Ganesh Chaturthi. So basically September में usually Ganesh Chaturthi होता ही है. इस बार थोड़ा सा जल्दी था. But regardless, in September we did go and see Lal Bagh Cha Raja. It was not easy, I will say that, but it was so worth it in the end. Okay, I quickly put on this face mask right here. So I actually don't think I've ever really spoken about spirituality or me being a religious person here, not that I can remember of. I, growing up, wasn't very spiritual, but I feel like I did become extremely spiritual and religious, and I started believing in God. I would say probably right after my nani passed away. For those who don't know, for those who are new to my channel, my nani helped raise me along with my parents, obviously. I have lived with her. I used to live with her since I was 6 months old, and it was like my worst nightmare come true when she passed away. And I feel like I look at life pre 2022 and post 2022, like the kind of person that I was versus now is a huge difference. And I don't want to say if it's a good thing or a bad thing. If I've evolved, I've grown up, but ever since then I feel like I have a guiding force, a guardian angel always with me, whether that be God or whether that be my nani. I still till this day see 444 all the time. If you don't know, I also have a tattoo that says 444. But yeah, anytime I personally am feeling low, or I just feel a certain kind of way, I also do have anxiety every now and then. I listen to these songs right here, and the way it changes my mood and my energy. Another thing actually that I have been doing is, it might sound very like random, but it just works for me. I feel like if you use social media the right way, it can be so beneficial. So my feed personally, मेरी feed बहुत ही ज़्यादा like happy, motivating, spiritual है. So what I have been doing is I repost a lot of my like favorite reels. You know, अब Instagram पे एक नया feature आ गया है repost का. So you can go to that tab, and if you're ever feeling low, maybe look at all of those reels. I also do that. Like when I'm feeling low, I'll just go watch my own reposted reels. They're not my reels that I've made. It's just like random people ke very happy, motivating, high energy reels. Should I actually play a few for you guys? Why not? Okay.
If I could get everyone in the world to believe just one thing, it's that there are things out there so good you wouldn't know to ask for them. And you have no idea, really no idea, how good it can get and how good it can be.
Me complace amarte, disfruto acariciarte y ponerte a mí.
God's plan is the best plan. Always, always have that trust that there's something more magical waiting for you than what you have thought for yourself. Keep working hard and always trust in God's plan.
God has a plan for everyone, so I never doubt God's plan.
I know, cheesy है ये सारे reels, but they make me feel good, and that's the only thing that matters, right? Okay, BRB, मैं face mask निकाल के आती हूँ. So one of my most frequently asked questions is that how am I so motivated? How am I so productive? First of all, I'm not always motivated or always productive, but I think whenever I am, I think the biggest reason I am so motivated is because I feel like I have a very specific vision. Actually, Aditya and I both have a very specific vision that we want from life, something that we talk about every single day for ourselves and for our parents. And I think that really keeps me motivated. I think having people around you who share the same vision as you, maybe who are as ambitious as you or more ambitious than you, over time it really rubs off. So I'm done with my skincare. मैं सारे products नीचे link कर दूंगी because I don't think I really spoke about every one of them. But for the most part, everything that I use today are my favorites. Now, you know what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go draw myself a bath. I have a bathtub. I don't think I've officially told you guys about it. So it's not technically like a proper bathtub. It's kind of like a portable one. मुझे bathtub का बहुत शौक है, okay? And I really want to eventually get one, but it's just that it needs a lot of permissions in the building that I stay, and I haven't really gotten around to getting those. So I have a Jugadu bathtub of sorts, but it's actually really nice. बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का है. मैंने Amazon से खरीदा है. मैंने काफी बार यूज भी किया है. आज सेल्फ केयर नाइट पे ऑब्वियसली यूज करना बनता है. Okay, so this is the bathtub that I was talking to you guys about. I've added my favorite vanilla vibes in the bathtub for the bubbles and the fragrance. So, कुछ ज़्यादा ही मज़ा आया. इतना कि it's almost 3 o'clock right now. I took a nice bath. We did the skincare together, and then I flipped through a magazine after so many years. I don't even remember how long it's been. And I actually used to have like this big stack of magazines that I would buy every single month. My favorite used to be Cosmopolitan, and I used to enjoy every single month just flipping through the magazine. And for some reason, I just gave them all away. I wish I honestly had all of them, but I can start collecting them now. मैंने just last month subscription लिया है, और ये महीना मेरा first month था जब मेरा first Vogue magazine आया. So it was very, very fun. I feel like this video wouldn't feel complete if I didn't answer this question. So basically last year मैंने एक पूरा video बनाया था about the 27 lessons that I've learned in 27 years. You can go check that video out, but today I'm going to be answering some very practical life lessons. I feel like I have been jotting a few down since quite a few days, and I have about like 15. I couldn't get to 28. So basically वो video में मैंने बहुत ही deep lessons बोले थे. ये वाले एकदम practical वाले. Like, start using a flosser. Trust me, a toothbrush cannot do what a flosser does. We need to start taking care of our teeth in our 20s so that we don't have the stress later on. Upgrade your mattress. Trust me, it's going to improve the quality of your sleep. It really, really does. Cast iron or stainless utensils. ये मेरी मम्मी की वजह से मैं करती हूँ. Prioritize half-yearly health checkups because prevention is better than cure. Thankfully, मेरे parents, like in my family, we always get a routine blood work done every 6 months. But I feel like as you're getting older, make sure that you're doing it. Make sure that you're doing it for your family as well. Declutter quarterly because less stuff is equal to more mental space. Yeah, this is something that I've been doing literally since forever. Anyway, cleaning and decluttering is like my passion. It makes me think more clearly. एक decluttering पे video बहुत ही जल्दी आ रहा है, by the way. Okay, add more plants or fresh flowers. It somehow makes the room and your energy instantly feel better. Personally, for me, that's the case specifically with fresh flowers. Automate your savings and investments. Treat it kind of like a bill that you absolutely have to pay, not something that you will do maybe. Similarly, buy insurance early. Health insurance ho ya term insurance ho, it's always cheaper when you buy it when you're younger. Travel solo once. Nothing teaches you self-reliance like solo traveling. Like, traveling obviously is amazing, but try doing it all by yourself. Document your life, whether it's photos, whether it's journaling, whether it's voice notes. It can be literally anything. Of course, you guys know my latest obsession is making those flip through albums, and I intend on making those religiously. I read this a while ago. It's called friendship pings. So basically you pick one friend every single day and you reach out to them and you communicate to them. This is especially really, really good for people like me who have a little bit of a communication problem, in the sense that when it comes to work and everything, I'm very good. But then if you're out of sight, you're out of mind for me. So I have to intentionally make an effort to reach out. So reaching out to one friend per day really works. Make a to-do list at night for the next day. I know a lot of people subha banate hai to-do list, which is fine if that works for you. But for me, I want to sleep with a clear vision of what my tomorrow is gonna look like. And when I wake up in the morning, I don't want to think what I'm supposed to do today. I want it ready. It works for me personally. Practice calendar blocking, not just for your important meetings or things that need to be done, but for things like self-care or spending time with family. ये मुझे करना है next month से, because September has been chaotic. मैंने literally ये महीना workout भी नहीं किया. I don't think I've worked out even once, and I haven't eaten well. I mean, I think you can see that on my face. Have a personal anchor item. So basically, these are things that make you instantly feel good. It can be things like a playlist, personally works for me. It can be a fragrance. It can be an outfit. It can be anything. And the last one is have pre-decided default options. This is actually something that I've read in a lot of like millionaire, billionaires books. Basically, it's to reduce decision fatigue, wherein you don't have to make so many decisions. You only want to make important decisions. So like, for example, what you want to have for breakfast, have a pre-decided menu. What you want to have for lunch, have a pre-decided menu of like 15 items. Same for dinner. थोड़ा सा मेहनत लगता है starting में, but once you have it down, it's just so easy. It makes your life really, really easy. A couple of months ago, when we were like really strict on our diet, we had all of these things planned. Obviously, this just doesn't apply to food. It can apply to anything, but this is something that apparently a lot of billionaires do, and I can see why they do it. काफी ज़्यादा बोल लिया मैंने. Okay, I think with that, I should really sleep. It's 3 o'clock now. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to comment and let me know what you thought about this. I can do this like once every 6 months, because I also personally really enjoy making these videos. So subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 1 million, and we're also so close to getting done with this year's birthday series. Like this video, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!